Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel. We are back in the truck today, and we like trucks here on the Outdoor Channel because we use it to tow our boat and the camper. And by the way, we have a new camper coming to the channel, so like and subscribe if you want to see what that looks like. But like I said, back to the truck today. If you're following along and subscribed, you know that we took out our 8-inch screen that comes factory from the truck, removed the trim, took that screen out, moved everything over like the brake controller, USB cables, things like that. And put in the new 15.6-inch screen, and that's been a wonderful upgrade to the truck. In my opinion, a little bit better than the refresh is what I titled the video, because the refresh is a 13 point something. This one's 15.6, and it's Android based. You can put whatever app you want on it. And then after we did that video, I did another one that says, hey, although I really like the screen, I do recommend it. It's really nice. It's not perfect. And so I did a video that has the top like 5 things that I don't like about the screen. And number 1 on that was there's a bit of glare that's on the screen. So here's what that screen looks like. And I'm going to move the camera around just a little bit so you can get the idea. You can see all that glare, especially in the daytime and in the sunlight. I'm actually under a tree right now, and you can still see quite a bit there. It's a little annoying, but really trying to use your backup camera and you have that glare on there, it's kind of a problem. And we're going to try and fix this today with a product from AUCar, and AUCar is who makes the screen, and they are the ones that make the screen protector here. Now this screen protector is I'm not sure if the camera is going to get the text here. It is an anti-glare screen protector, similar of something I think that you'd put on your cell phone or a tablet. We're going to put that, essentially this unit here is a tablet, and hopefully that'll fix the issue here.
Welcome to the outdoors. Welcome to the outdoors.
I'm just going through with some glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth here. I'm just kind of prepping the surface. I've been using this for a few weeks. It is all fingered up and smudged up, and I'm just gonna start the prep process here by giving it a good clean. I'm gonna take a look at the package after this and see if there's any kind of other prep. I gotta use some alcohol or something's included or not, just to see if that'll help with the adhesion of the screen protector. I'm not really sure. We're doing this live. And just as I thought, they give you a little bit of prep wipes here and a squeegee to apply this. So we're going to go ahead and finish our cleaning and prep process. Included with the kit is this document. Now I thought this was maybe some instructions, but it's just some links that you'd have to type in. And it gives a couple of examples here. Of course, my Silverado is not listed. Some emails and phone numbers that are not here in the US if you want to call somebody and get some tech support. And that's pretty much it. So no instructions with this. And if I had to guess, this isn't much more than a alcohol prep pad. So if you mess it up, you leave these out, they dry or something, you could probably get some alcohol pads and probably be just fine. The second pad is a dry pad. I'm not sure why you really need it because alcohol dries pretty quickly, but it's part of the kit. We're going to go ahead and use it. And of course, as I post these videos, I get questions and comments, and that's all pretty good. Some of the comments I'm hearing is, hey, maybe tint your windows. Maybe you should do 5% tint. Hey, what do you mean your windows aren't tinted? And okay, that's all probably a reasonable assumption. I think most of those comments, at least the ones I'm receiving, are people that don't have the screen, because the ones that do have the screen are saying, yeah, tint's not really helping. And depending on what state you live in, tint may or may not be legal, and I'll leave that up to you. This is our sheet here. It's got a couple of pull tabs here, and there's also a couple of additional stickers that you can use for alignment. I'm going to go ahead and kind of start the pull process here. Like one's from one side, one's the other. And just kind of get this lined up here. And here's what it looks like with the screen protector added. And again, this is supposed to be a no glare. And it's better. It's better. It is not a home run by any stretch here, but it is an improvement for something that's shipped, I think $65, somewhere in the ballpark there, US. I think I would have expected a little bit more. Here's the backup camera. It's better. It certainly is. Not a home run though. And it's still got a couple of air bubbles to work out. I've been at it for a little while, and it's such a big piece that it just takes a little bit to get all that worked out. Okay, fast forwarding here just a little bit. I moved the truck into a nearby parking lot, and I've got the sun shining right at the screen there, and you can see how bright that sun is today. I'm not sure how good of a job that the camera's picking it up. It is a little bit of an improvement. Of course, you can see if I bring my hand to shadow what the difference is. So it's a little better. It's just not great. And here's what it looks like at night. I could probably go through and adjust the brightness a little bit. It looks a little bright on camera, but in reality it shows up actually pretty nice. Point being, it doesn't seem to affect the nighttime view at all. All right, so there you have it. There is the non-glare screen protector from AUCAR. Not gonna lie, I'm not totally impressed. It's like I said, I forget the exact amount, $65, something thereabout, shipped from China. Takes a week or so to get here. I know somebody's working on putting some supply here in the US. It's okay. It's not worth the price. I really wish it did a better job. And again, I'm a smaller channel. I got to pay for a lot of my own stuff, so I get to give you a fair and honest review. Therefore, this is the review. And so I'm going to give it to you straight. So that's it for today. Like and subscribe to the video. We got a lot more content coming, and we'll see you soon.